Welcome back, guys, and in this video I am going to tell you something about Instagram. By my learning through my experience and study through internet, I have learned something and I am using that techniques on Instagram, and I am enriching my experience of using Instagram. So I am going to tell you those things in this video, how you can enrich your experience of using Instagram, and how can you increase your followers by putting a reel. The best way to increase the you can say followers or viewers on your Instagram. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel for these type of such important and handy informations, useful information. So just coming to the video, if you are going to Instagram and suppose you are surfing like that, now you will seeing here an ad of Kotak 181. If you do not want to see that ad, just tap on the Instagram written here, just tap on the followings. Now you will not see that those type of ads. You will only see the persons whom you are following, the post from those persons. So this was the one thing I wanted to tell you, and the second thing I wanted to tell you, suppose you want to increase your viewers or followers on Instagram, what you need to do, you have to start posting good quality reels. This is the best way about which I came to know over the years and the study through internet. So now I will tell you how you should put those reels, so that reels should be pushed to your viewers or your followers. So if you are posting a reel, please using the trendy music. Trendy music means, let us see, just go to the here and you see the arrow here, means if you are not seeing arrow, don't use that music. If you are seeing an arrow, just suppose this here and arrow is, just click on this and use this audio. You are seeing that 2.7 millions have used this. You can see another, suppose this cute girl, you are seeing that 1.9 million have been used the original. So this type of audio you should use this type of audio in your reels. Second, I am telling you about the tags, how you put your tags, means how you select your tags. Suppose please make reels as per your quality. Suppose you are making reel on dancing or you are making reel on music, then you should find the tags which are which will be most useful for you. Just go to the search and search here. Suppose you want for music, just tap on the music or write music here, then you will tap on the tags. Here you are seeing the tabs, music, musician. These tags you should put there, and within some days or some months you will see the enormous number of followers and viewers on your Instagram. So this is what I learned and I'm using, and if you like this you can use, and if you like this video you can consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. I will come again with new tips and tricks about Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook and mobile repairing activities, mobile softwares. Thank you very much, guys.